Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my financial abundance binder where I bring in $80 in prop money and have 12 categories or sinking funds that I am saving for. So let's get started. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing all right, trying to take it easy. Trying to relax and everything on this day off I got. All right, let's shuffle these cards. I got the cards back. Came a little prepared today. And let's see which sinking fund are we going to first. We are going to number 3. And that is Stuff and Budget. Oh, this is a new one. And this one, I am part of her membership. I got this in her membership. And it's Find the Key to Your Heart. This was her February, for Valentine's Day. So let's see. Let's just scratch one. Let's go in the middle here. And that is a 7. So let's go ahead and get that cleaned off. And $7. 5, 6, and 7. Next one we're going to is 11. Let's see, where's 11? Liz and Les are penguins. All right. We got 2 penguins left. Let's go for this $7 one here. And this totals $100. And should we put this one here? Yeah, let's put them right there. What I say, $7? I think I said 7. 5, 6, and 7. Oh, look at them. They all looking so cute and ready for the party. We have 8. Let's go to 8. 8 is Budget with Carly. And this one here says $60. So let's scratch one here. And that is a 6. Oops. So 5 and 6. Keep on moving. Let's move some stuff out the way. I know this mat is just getting so dirty. 5. 5 is the Thrifted Sewers. Oh, shoot. That's these cards here. So let me get the dice that came with it. And I put it inside this bag here. So let's draw a die. Let's do this one. Purple. Have we did purple yet? We have, oh, purple look a little spicy. Let's move the other ones out the way. And let's roll. 2. Ooh, here we go. Oh, look at, I said that and got a nice 4. Let's get that. Can you guys see that? We got a 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. All right, let's put these back in here so I want to lose them. And put the $4 there. Put the die back in the bag. Perfect. And let's get another card. 10. Yay, dreamy budgets. And these are some dominoes. And we are just going to pick one, anyone. Pick one, anyone. Let's do that one. Let's see. Dreamy budget. Ooh. Let's do this one in the middle. Okay, $5. Let's do that nice 5. Perfect. got 3. I just like the randomness of this. It's so much fun. Oh, back to this one. So stuff and budget again. So we get that, find that key. That's $12. Let's go here. Okay, $5. And this is a mystery save. I like the colors in this. This is so cute. $5. Let's put these 2 5s back and grab a 10. So I can get rid of that $10. And 1. 1 is budget with Carly. And we just started this one. This one says $55. So let's see. Let's go here. We get some nice numbers today. $4. Now let's go again. Let's go over here. And another 4 for $8. Because it's got a lot of little scratches. Okay, that is not coming off. What? 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I need to clean the inside of this thing. I don't know where my other one is at. All right, next one. Let's go. 4. We got Keely Creations. And this is save 80 plus. Amounts 1 through 7. Because we got a ×2 hidden in there. So let's go on this side. All right, that's a 1. I think we should go again. Let's do another one on this side. Let's go here. And that's a 4 for 5. Ooh, I'm sorry for the scratch. Hold on. Okay. So $5. Cute. All right. Ooh. Oh my goodness. How many cards did I grab? So we are going to 6. Reynolds budget. Okay, we getting everybody today. Everybody coming to the party. So this amount says $2 or $6. And like I said, from Reynolds budget. And let's go here. And this is a 6. So $6, 5, and 6. And we are going to 8. 8 is budget with Carly again. Let's do this Sloaney one. And that is a 7. So 5, 6, and 7. All right, another one. 12. 12 is all the way to the back. And that is also Reynolds budget. And I am just going to roll a D6. And we got a 3. Did we not have a 3? We don't have. Oh, we got. Well, I always miss this 3 here. Was you guys yelling at me? 3. So $3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, we almost finished with this one. That is like a mystery save also. We go on to 2. 2 is Bookish Mama Budgets. And this is, we started this one new. No, we not. We just started this one. Oh, yeah, that was that. If you remember last week's video, that 12 ×2, 6 times 2. Yeah. It came back. I remember now. So this is a 45 plus. So let's do this one. Oh, that is a 3. And I want to scratch again. Should I? Nah, because we got that 12 last time. I don't know how many times 2 she got in here. 1, 2, 3. All right. Let's go again. We got 6. Have we did 6 yet? Oh yeah, we have. So Reynolds budget again. So we got 2 or 6. How much we're saving? Let's go. We did what? This side. Let's go to this side. We got $2. I take that. Oh my goodness. 1, 2. Okay, got that. Let's go again. I need some new like budgeting tools. Like I need a new like scratch off tool. I mean, goodness. I got a sinking fund for Gem City budgets, but we ain't finished that one yet. So we got crafty awareness here. Okay. Like I said, we getting all the, oh, we only got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we got $12. Okay, mounts 1 through 10. Okay, we safe. Yeah, we getting all the creators and everyone that I am showing and then I have in this binder is all listed down below. Go show them their YouTube videos some love, check them out, and then find their link to their Etsy shop within their videos. So go. So look in their description box and if they like a video, tell them that T from Gem City Budget sent you. All right, so let's scratch one. Anyone. So let's do this one. Oh, medical isn't getting the money. And we are saving $7. Let's clean that off. So 5, 6, and 7. We're getting close to see who is getting all the money. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We only got $5. I think I should just put that in my catch-all. What you guys think? Let's see what the next card. I know this cheating, but I just want to see what the next card gonna be. So that's 7. That's the humble budgeter. Ooh, I'm kind of scared. But we didn't get to play this one. I think I'm just going to, let me see. I'm so nervous. Let's see what so this is the cards here. And I just put them into this, like, what this called? A flash card holder or index card holder. And it's fit perfect in here. Let's see. Ooh, there was a spicy 10 in there. Ooh, a couple spicy 10s. Okay, I think we're not going to do it. Oh, we're not going to do it. But these are some cute cards. Love these. I don't want a big IOU. So let's put that back in there. All right. And we just going to roll that into the catch-all. So let's go to the back here. And this is like my catch-all. And what I said, $5? Yes, $5. Let's find a 5 on here. Right here. Cross that out. Perfect. All right. So let's go ahead and clean up a little bit. And let's see how much did each sinking fund get. Okay. So let's work our way from the back to the front. So we got Reynolds budget here today got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. And I'm not gonna count the whole total. We're gonna let that be a surprise. Liz and Les today got $5, 6, $7. Dreamy Budgets got $5 in our dominoes. Crafty Awareness got $5, 6, $7. You guys see that? 777. Budget with Carly got $5, $10, $11, $12, $13. Living our best life. The humble budgeter didn't get anything. So sad. And this Reynolds budget got $5, $6, $7, $8. The Thrifted Soul has got $1, $2, $3, $4. Keely Creations got $5. Stuff and Budget got $10, $11, $12. Bookish Mama Budget's got $3. Budget with Carly got $5, $6, $7, $8. So I think it's only one of them we didn't get to play today. That is something cool. Something cool. So that is $80 put into my sinking fund binder here. And as you can see, these are the categories I am saving for. Something cute. All right. So that is my financial abundance. Nice purple and cute. I just love these colors. This whole binder to me just came out, besides these spots. I don't know what that is, but this whole binder just came out so pretty to me. I just love opening this. All right, gems, that is it. Oh, I need to condense this. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel. And if you already subscribed, share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.